In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe with Shopify store. So for those who are out there starting a new Shopify store and having trouble using Stripe, or you just want to use Stripe, but you can only choose from Shopify payments, here's a quick fix. So in your Shopify dashboard, go to settings, go to payments. Here you will find the Shopify payments section, but we want to use Stripe. So here's the trick. You need to go to settings, general, and change your country to France. So what we're going to do is click on here, search for France. There we go. Click on save. Going right back to settings, payments. And right here, you would click on choose third-party providers. And there you go. There you go. You can link your Stripe account without Shopify payments being between it. Just set up Stripe and you're ready to rumble. You can receive payments straight into your Stripe account. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.